He came in to pick me up. Dude, I can't say thank you enough. I owe him big time. Because I would have been screwed otherwise. AAA, you gotta add motorcycle. Okay, I'm getting off and running this thing. So I need a new chain, for sure. Dude, David, the lifesaver. Excuse me. I'm thinking you back up right there. Are you gonna hit? Yeah. Okay. You're not gonna scrape anything? Alright. Yeah. Well, that didn't help, huh? I would go forward a bit. If you dig a hole down there, he can get lower. Your foot, just like it looks like loose dirt now. Oh, God damn it. All right. Really? Is it better, you think? Just pushing this bike sucks.
We can do it right here. We can lift.
It'd be nice if there was a piece of wood. Alright, push. Ready? Yep. Alright. Dude, if we just had a board or a plank. I think I see one over there. Yeah. Easy.
We can lift it, dude. We can lift that easier. But look. Right again. So there's a fucking right there. And they're sitting out there selling. I'm sure that let's see if we
Yeah, it is a ladder. We got this.
Alright.
Should we try it like this? I definitely need both of you guys on the other side. Yeah.
Tell me when.
Push a little. Keep going. It's bending a lot.
Just bring it up.
Alright, here, you want to move that? Why don't you grab a rock right there on the left? A couple of rocks there so we don't bottom it out. That works. Yeah, I think we're good. So we'll basically just lift. You can lift here and here, like this, like this.
Grab this right, yeah. Grab the wheel.
Okay. This part's easy. We should be able to hold on to the bars. So we can lift this whole cage really, and the rear. So you want to use this maybe. And then 1, 2, 3. We lifted it high as shit.
Dude.
Thank you, David, Ruben, Supernar, those two. Holy shit.